Hi everyone, Rich Hackenberg here. I'm the Director of Communications with Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center here in Boca Raton, Florida. And we are super excited here at Bauman Medical because we just recently learned that Dr. Bauman has won his 8th consecutive #1 hair restoration surgeon in North America award by Aesthetic Everything. A big thank you to all of our patients and our followers on social media that voted for Dr. Bauman. This is truly an honor I know he's going to be very grateful for, and we're going to surprise Dr. Bauman when he opens up the box with the trophy.
Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center in Boca Raton, Florida. And today I'm super ecstatic because we've won the 8th time Top Hair Restoration Surgeon Award in North America. Well, when I found out that I won the award for the 8th time, I was overwhelmed with gratefulness, thankfulness, and excitement because this truly is amazing. It's exemplary of what we do here at Bauman Medical Group every single day, and to have seen it for 8 years in a row has just been amazing. Well, personally, you know, we don't certainly need another award on the shelf, but what this award tells us is that we are on the right track at Bauman Medical, taking care of each patient one at a time and adhering to our mission to change people's lives one at a time every single day. You know, the field is constantly changing. One of the things that we do to constantly stay ahead of the game in terms of technology and treatments is to continue to read, listen, share, and learn. Sometimes that involves travel, going to different conferences, but it's really a never-ending passion of myself and also my team members to try to provide the best possible care and the best possible treatments for our patients. Over the past year, we've seen so many patients. I think we've treated over 3,300 patients last year, but a few really stick out in my mind. One in particular was a young woman who had a very, very high hairline. She was in her 20s and she had struggled with kind of an embarrassing situation where her hairline was very high and she was looking for a hairline lowering procedure that was minimally invasive. And we executed that for her. We saw the results coming in, and every time we would connect with her, whether it be in the office or on Zoom in a follow-up, just that bright smile and that thankfulness came through as the hair was growing in longer and thicker and stronger, and it really truly changed her. She felt so much more comfortable going out with friends and family. It was really life-changing for her, so it was exciting to see that result. People ask me all the time, how do we stay ahead of the game in terms of treatments and procedures? And I think it's just part of the culture here at Bauman Medical. Every time we come back from a conference, the team wants to know, hey doc, what's new, what's different? My patients are messaging me every time they come in for a follow-up or a new hair check or a new patient. They want to know what's the latest and greatest. And so whether it be diagnostic tools, interventions that are non-invasive, non-chemical therapies or treatments, or the latest in minimally invasive hair transplants, we're excited to always push the envelope and figure out what's best for our patients. Balancing the, I guess the left brain, right brain part of hair transplantation, meaning the technical aspects and also the artistic aspects, is really critical in a hair transplant procedure. There's so much technical knowledge that's required and technical skill, but you also have to have an aesthetic eye. And I think it just comes really from my training. From the time I was young, I always worked with my hands, put things together, take things apart, usually put them back together again. And then my mentors in plastic surgery taught me to be always looking at Mother Nature, always looking at what Mother Nature does in terms of aesthetics and beauty, and to carry that forward into our patients with hair transplantation is something that we dedicate ourselves to every single day at Bauman Medical. Well, this award this year, for the 8th time, just like all of the other awards and recognitions we've given, It's not me. What stands behind me is a huge team of people to help us execute each and every day, from the call, click, or visit to the office, to the hair measurements that we do and evaluations, to my nurse practitioners providing therapies and treatments, to the team that's going to execute your hair transplant procedure. It's not a one-man job. And certainly I'm blessed to have an incredible team with me here at Bauman Medical Group, and to have them with me for so long, to be able to help our patients every single day. So here at Bauman Medical, we're always evolving, not just our techniques and treatments, but we're also renovating our office again. And so we're going to be adding some new space under air here at Bauman Medical to accommodate not just our head and med spa and our aesthetics program, but also the Bauman Performance Program, which is our functional medicine, wellness, longevity, and health optimization. I wish I had a crystal ball to tell you what's coming next in the field of hair restoration, hair transplants, and treatments and procedures, but what I do know is what we don't have yet is hair follicle cloning, but we do have ways to prepare you for the eventuality that we might have some way to duplicate hair follicles and implant them for you. So I'm super excited about hair follicle stem cell banking. It's one of the newer therapies and treatments that we engaged in starting last year, and many of our patients are liking the fact that we can stop the clock on hair loss, basically protecting their existing hair follicle and the stem cells that they contain, and cryo-preserve them, freeze them in time so that we can use them later on in life. Once we had this technology in the office, I had to be one of the first to bank my own stem cells, and so last year we did that, and it's been an exciting ride. We'll look to see what kind of techniques and technologies come from that process moving forward. So I just want to take this moment of gratitude to thank my team, my patients, my followers, everybody who voted for us as top hair restoration physician. This award enables us to treat so many more patients in a very effective way, for enabling them to reach out to us from far distances and get the effective treatments for their hair loss situation. For that, I'm truly grateful. If you'd like to have more information about what we do here at Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center, please check out my other videos or click the links below. I look forward to helping you.